Do I even need to hire an attorney at all if I've been injured? Hi there, I'm Chris Klotz with the Stevenson Klotz Injury Law Firm here in Pensacola, offices in Mobile also, and we get this question quite a bit. Do I need to even hire an attorney in order to represent me in a case where I've been injured by somebody else? So, a couple things about this. If somebody tries to represent themselves, first of all, they're going to be dealing with an insurance company, and an insurance company is very, very sophisticated in dealing with people who are representing themselves and wearing them down and sometimes making it very, very difficult to figure out how much money is available on an insurance policy or exactly how to get the highest value out of a case. So they know at the insurance companies that if they can just delay, make it very difficult for the person who's trying to represent themselves, then they'll eventually wear the person down to where sometimes they'll settle for much, much less than they would get ordinarily if they had an attorney involved in the case that's experienced in this type of case. So the other thing is that what really can drive the value of your settlement, or sometimes if you go to trial, what can drive the value of a case is the insurance company's knowledge that you have a lawyer who is willing to go to trial if you need to try your case. Because a lot of times insurance companies are very scared of going to a jury trial because they know that a jury may give much, much more than what the insurance company is offering in the case. And so if you don't have the skill set to get your case from injury to pre-litigation to litigation and then get it to a court, then the insurance companies know that they don't have to pay you the full value that they would normally have to pay if an attorney is involved in the case. So that's another reason why. And as you're going through the process of moving your case forward, if you have to get into the court system, there's so many procedural rules and laws that if they're not followed precisely, then somebody can actually end up with their case potentially getting dismissed, or their case might have a statute of limitations that runs. So it's very, very tricky to get your case into the court system if you're representing yourself. There's been studies about clients who don't hire a lawyer, or people who don't hire a lawyer, versus what people who hire a lawyer get in similar types of cases. And the studies have actually found that even though you're going to pay a contingency fee to a lawyer when you hire them on an accident case or an injury case, those people who hire an attorney actually end up taking home more money than people who represent themselves without an attorney, even taking into consideration the fact that there's an attorney's fees involved. So my suggestion always is consult with the lawyer who practices in injury law and talk to them about your case and see if they think they can help you. And sometimes I have clients that I'll meet with and say, hey, look, I'm not sure that we can really help you on this case, and I'll explain why, and always answer the questions that I need to answer and make sure that the person has an understanding. But if I can help somebody on a case, I'm going to shoot straight with you and tell you that I think that I can help you on the case. So never try to get your case resolved on your own. Always consult with an injury lawyer about the process and your case and the facts, and how to best maximize your recovery after you've been injured, because you want to be able to make yourself fully whole at the end of a case after you've been injured. You don't want to get shortchanged by an insurance company that's very skilled and wearing you down until you just finally say, golly, I'll just do anything to make this go away. So we'd love to help you on your case. If you have a personal injury case, give us a call. I'm Chris Klotz with the Stevenson Klotz Injury Law Firm here in Pensacola and in Mobile, Alabama. And if you ever want to talk to us about your case, give us a call at 850-444-0000. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, we put lives back together.